The Velox VX-530DSA bandsaw is manufactured in the United States in Texas by Velox, a leader in the bandsawing industry. This machine is widely used in the fabrication, manufacturing, and metalworking industries where precision and reliability are essential. I'm Ernesto with Sawblade.com, and today we're here at Galvatech to talk about one of the most reliable and versatile machines in the industry, the Velox VX-530DSA bandsaw machine. This is a horizontal cutting bandsaw with both manual and automatic cutting capabilities with a cutting capacity of 20 inch for round and 27 by 13 for rectangular. It's perfect for cutting casting, forgings, structural beams, and solid materials like aluminum, stainless, Inconel, and carbon steel with efficiency and accuracy. The Velox VX-530DSA we are looking at here today is the standard model. The machine has been around for over 20 years and they have sold a lot of these machines worldwide. The blade size for this machine is a 19 foot by 9 inch in length and 1.5 inch width. Now let's talk about the blade we're running today. At Sawblade.com we sell a lot of blades for the Velox VX-530DSA, and right now we're using the Q501 IC structural bimetal bandsaw blade. This is the perfect blade for the structural steel we are cutting today because the Q501 blade offers incredible performance thanks to its features like unique profile that prevent tooth chipping, no braking needed, reduced noise, and long life. Excellent cost per cut. This blade reduces vibration, increases blade life, and saves you time and money. At Sawblade.com, we offer the Q501 blade at competitive prices with fast delivery. The Velox VX-530DSA has a 5-gallon coolant tank. And keep in mind that coolant is just as important as the blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is specially designed for bandsaw cutting, ferrous and non-ferrous metals. The C5200 is low foaming, corrosion resistant, biodegradable, and it enhances tool life and machine maintenance. Like all cutting fluids used in bandsawing, it should be mixed at a 10:1 ratio with water for optimal performance. The C5200 coolant helps in several key ways. It lubricates the blade, reducing friction and heat. It also keeps cuts clean and smooth. But most importantly, it extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. I have seen this throughout the years I've been in this business. Using an inferior coolant will result in high blade costs and poor performance. The C5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and a cleaner cut. Like a lot of the higher-end machines made, the Velox VX-530DSA uses carbide blade guides to keep the blade aligned. These guides are really important. In fact, one of the most common reasons for crooked cuts is worn or damaged blade guides. Blade guides are critical for keeping your blade straight and aligned during operation. People don't like to change them because of the cost. It's true, the OEM guides from the manufacturer can be expensive, but at Sawblade.com, we offer black iron blade guides. The black iron carbide guide kits are more durable, perform better, and cost less. Replacing your guides regularly keeps your machine running smoothly and cuts perfectly aligned. This Velox VX-530DSA machine is loaded with small features that reduce your cost, but you have to pay attention and keep the machine maintained. I'm talking about the importance of the chip brush, like the black iron 30-inch chip brush. This is the least expensive investment to reduce costs and is often overlooked. The black iron chip brush removes work-hard chips from the blade teeth. If these chips aren't clean, they can cause the blade to dull faster and produce poor quality cuts. The brush adjustment is a simple one. The brush should lightly contact the blade to clean off chips without wearing itself out. It's a small investment that pays off big and longer lasting blades. So to recap, the Velox VX-530DSA bandsaw is a versatile horizontal cutting saw with unmatched performance for fabrication and machine shops. Paired with the product and services from Sawblade.com, we can make the machine even more efficient. I'm Ernesto with Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching.